Hello and welcome to my channel. Today is the lesson number 5. Now before starting that lesson, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button so that you will get updates whenever I will upload a new project, a new lesson. Now we start our lesson number 5. This is front end of the page, and as we can see, this thing is actually something coming automatically from WordPress. So we'll have to, if we want to, we can change this tagline. To change this tagline, we have to go to settings and then from there general, and here in general we can say that first WordPress project. Now I have changed this tagline and I'll click save. Now I can see if I refresh the page, now this tagline is changed. Now you also have seen that this part of the part of the site under the logo is called the tagline. So you can actually change the tagline, or depending on the situation you can actually completely remove the tagline. Sometimes tagline is required and sometimes it's not required. So if I click on the logo now, the tagline is completely removed. Now the next thing is we need to make an about us page for the site. So we will go for making the about us page. As you know, that to make a new page we need to go to pages, and from here we will click on add new. Okay, now this page opened. The process of making the about us page is exactly the same as of making the home page, as we have already made the home page. So the process will be same. We will give the name about us. We will give the text to this page. This is the site lipsum.com. From here we can actually get this demo text. This is called demo text actually, and this is normally used on different templates that we buy online. They use this text, and we'll click on publish, and now the about us page is ready. This is our about us page with this content. Same, if we want to remove this sidebar, we will go into the admin of this page and we'll select the full page template and update. Now this sidebar is removed. Next thing that we can do is, for example, if we click on this logo, we are coming back to the home page. Now here in the home page we can see that the about us page is not in the main navigation. So to add it into the navigation, we can go to appearance and menu. Here are the pages that we have made, most recent pages. We'll click on about us and add to menu. Now this about us page is added to the menu. We can save it and we can see that this page is now part of the menu. One thing that is not appropriate is that this about us is after the contact us. So we need actually to move it. We'll click on it and we can simply drag and drop it above contact us, and it will bring it above contact us. And if we click save menu, now this about us is placed at its proper place. Now to go to the dashboard of any page, we can open that page in the front end view and click on edit page. Here, as we have done in the home page, we can also do the same things in this page as well. We can add an image, we can move that image to the left side, to the right side. Some things that I haven't told you at that time when I was making the home page is that we have this simple formatting menu as well as a part of this editor. This editor is basically called WYSIWYG Editor. Now we can actually do some simple stuff in this WYSIWYG Editor as well. For example, I can select this thing and I can make this text bold. I can make this one italic if I want to. Simple basic formatting things can be easily done here. I can save it and see the result in the About Us page. You can see this is bold and this is italic. Also, this is a button to show additional toolbars. I will click on this button. Now I will get some additional options. For example, I can change the color of this text from here. I can make it green. Now I'll update it and see the text is green now. I can have a horizontal line. This is the toolbar to place the horizontal line. So sometimes there is a line between two paragraphs. So I can click here and we will get this horizontal line. I will save it. And can see that we have a horizontal line between two paragraphs here. Now next thing I can do is I can increase and decrease indent. For example, I can select this paragraph and click on increase indent. Indent is basically this gap between the left side and the text. So I can increase the indent more for this paragraph, the text that is selected, and I can refresh again and you can see this paragraph is indented to the left side, to the right side. Now I can again decrease the indent and save. Now refresh. Also I can, this is for clear formatting, so I can select this and for example this I have given it green color. Now I can select it and clear formatting, so the color of this text is removed. All the formats that was applied to this text is removed. Click update and see. Okay, we can make some of the text hyperlink as well. The link that goes to any other page. For example, I can select this text and I can make it hyperlink. For example, this text says Google. Now I can select it and go for this button, insert edit link, and give it a link, google.com, complete link. It's not given. Okay, let me try it again. It wasn't given. Let me try it again. Let me go to google.com and copy the link from here. Actually, I'm giving it in the wrong format, so this is the right format. Now I'll select this Google on any text where I want to place the link. Click here, paste the link that I has copied, enter, and update. Now if I refresh this page, where is my link? Okay, this is my link. Now this text here is made a link. Now if I click on this link, it will go to google.com. So we can make links like this in our text as well. Also we can use this li structure. For example, I'm pasting 3 lines. I can make them bullet points. I will select it and click on this one. So this is unnumbered bullet points. I can update it. Now you can see the bullet points came. If I want to see the HTML structure of this text that I have made, I can click on text and I'll see that whatever this is the HTML of this bullets. Now I can actually uncheck it and I can make them numbered bullet points and update it. Now this is made as numbered. Additionally, I can format this paragraph left, right, center, right. So all the basic formatting things that we normally do in Word, not all of them, but some of them is available in this WYSIWYG editor of the page. Okay, now on About Us page we can also have a image gallery. Sometimes people want to have images in their About Us page, images of the events, recent events. So we can do it by clicking on this add media button, and then from there we can click on upload, select files, and these two were already uploaded. I can upload these images. Now these images are uploaded. I will make these images the part of. Now as I am clicking on these images, a check mark appears on the top, but make sure that you are clicking the images while holding the control key on Windows. So now I have selected all these images and I can click on create gallery, and from here I can click on create new gallery. Now the gallery is made. Link to the images of the gallery can be linked to some pages or the media file, or they can be linked to nothing. Now the size of the images can be medium size, large size, or full size. So I am using medium size. 3 images in a column. I can make it 4 images in a column and insert the gallery. Now here we have the gallery inserted. I can click update and I'll see the gallery is placed on the page. The format of the gallery is not that good, but in future we can do 2 things. Number 1 is we can actually resize the images of this and make them of the same size, one thing, or we have different additional plugins as well to do that we will do in future. But let me try doing something here as well if it is possible. Go and select thumbnails, okay, and update. Now the layout must be changed. Now this is the layout. Now it has made them, cropped the images and made them rectangular. This is good. I can have 5 images in a row because the image size is too low now. So I can make it 5 or 6 images in a row and click update. Now there will be 6 images in one row. Now it is looking slightly better than the previous view. Okay, we have inserted the gallery here on the About Us page, but in some situations the client wants to have a gallery page as a separate page, so we can have it on a separate page as well, but I am not doing it right now. What I am trying to tell you is that we can actually move this gallery up or down any place where we want to place this gallery. Hopefully it will come here. Okay, now the gallery is here and I can click it is simple drag and drop, so I can click refresh and the gallery is moved up. So that's how we can make the gallery and move the gallery to any place on the page. Okay, next thing we can do with this site is we can make a services page as well. So I'm going to add new and adding a services page, and here I can give the text of the services. For example, if a company has 3 services, so I can say service 1 and the text under it, and then I can say service 2 and text under it, and service 3 and text under it. So this is how a services page can be made easily. Now I can make them slightly bigger. For example, this is another thing that is available in this WYSIWYG editor, that you can pre-format. You can select a pre-format for the text. Okay, now these are shown bigger. Now services page is made. The same thing I need to do again. I need to go to appearance and then menu and add this services page onto the menu. Now the page is here, and I need to drag and drop the services page and save menu. Now if I come on the front page, click on the logo, click on the services page, now these services are shown here. Additionally, we can select a full page template for services, and also we can give these services a different color. The colors of these things depends basically on the color of the logo or the designing sense of the developer or the designer who has given the design. Now you can see the services are showing here. Now this site basic structure is almost ready. The next thing, and a very important thing that we need to learn in the next lesson, will be to make a custom template. Now custom template will help us further customize our pages. For example, in services, on most of the websites we have the service name and some summary of the service, and a service name and some summary of the service. And then once you click on that service name, it goes to a separate page and shows the details of that service with images and galleries and stuff. So we will do it by using the custom templates, and in the next lesson we will go for making custom templates, and then this site will be more usable and more user friendly as compared to the site right now. Now at this point, if you like the content of the video, please feel free to click on the like button and help me make more and more lessons for you to understand WordPress well. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So nice of you. Let's meet in the next lesson. Thank you. Bye.